China is very key economic player in global economy, not only because of being a second largest economy in the world, but also China is the main provider for the global supply chain for many goods. So the stability and the stable growth and development of Chinese economy means at the same time global economic development and the stability in global economic activities in that regard. Unlike expectations for China and unlike many countries across the world, China successfully had a very positive growth rate in 2020 in the first year of the pandemic. Around 2% of growth rate in 2020 according to World Bank data is very important. And China is also expected to get more positive development for this year, 2021, around 8%, also according to World Bank. So the positive progress and developments in Chinese economy mean there will be more positive global economic developments and growth. In that regard, the performance in China economically is very good and very good for eliminating all major challenges and in very positive direction. And also this will be very meaningful for the world economy. And now the expectation in the post-pandemic period for economic development at the global scale is positive with the help of the Chinese economic progress.